Alright, when I got this Commodore VIC-1525 printer, dot matrix printer, it did not work, and every time I try to print something with a 64, for example, it would just lock up. So the problem was that, or is the spring. So let me zoom in. There, you can see it right there. The spring didn't have enough tension to bring the print head all the way to the left. So I made a little piece of metal. Well, I didn't make it, but I took it off a scrap piece of metal shielding from another 8-bit computer, and wedged it between the little pulley and the little bracket that holds the pulley, and it's holding the spring, so it's not got as much play in it as it did before. So now print this. Well, am I out of focus again? Yeah. Print this line. Pulls it all the way back, and the 64 returns. It doesn't lock up. So now that is a lot more tension on that than was originally designed, that's for sure. So how long this fix will last, I do not know, but I'm going to go with it. This seems like I tried various amounts of tension, and this seems like the least tension was required to make the print head actually go all the way to the left. Because if it doesn't do that, the 64 appears to lock up, which it does because it's waiting for the printer to return. So this was a mechanical issue. The printer ribbon is printing because I sprayed WD-40 on it, and it's kind of brought it back to life. This printer needs fanfold tractor fed paper, which I don't have at the moment, so just got this in here and I have to manually feed it out. Well, that's it for this video. So it was like $28 printer, shipping and all. Not a bad deal in my opinion. I like having these old printers for when I program on old 8-bit computers. I like being able to print out code and stuff that I can use as a reference. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and I will talk to you later.